Hey guys, welcome to Winston. In this video, we will learn to find the first 5 multiples of the number 8. For more update, please visit mathstone.com or check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32 and 8 times 5 is 40. So we have got the first 5 multiples of 8, which are the blue colored numbers. These are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.